with the help of all trigonometric ratios. We have to do some of the MCQs. Okay, if cos theta equal to P by Q, then find sin theta. Okay, so cos theta means what? Cos theta equal to adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Let us consider one right angle triangle like ABC. Okay, right angle at B. Their opposite side is known as hypotenuse, and let us consider angle AB theta. Okay, so cos theta means what? Adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Okay, what is the adjacent side of theta? Like AB. Here AB equal to how much? P units. Here P means P units or P parts. Okay, and hypotenuse equal to how much? Q units. And you have to find opposite side. Okay, already you know from Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that means AC square equal to side square AB square plus BC square. So that means Q square equal to P square plus BC square. So therefore BC square equal to plus P square after transposition minus P square. So Q square minus P square. Okay. Now we have to find BC. So BC is equal to square root of Q square minus P square. That means you want to find the opposite side BC only. So square root on both sides. Okay, square and root cancel, BC equal to, now this one equal to square root of P square minus Q square minus P square. Okay, what do you want? Now we have to find out sin theta. Sin theta equal to what? Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Where is the opposite side of theta? That is square root of Q square minus P square by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is Q units. So the value of sin theta is square root of Q square minus P square by Q. Okay. Next one, same model. If cot theta equal to x by y, then find sin theta. Okay. So cot theta means what? Cot theta equal to adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta, that equal to x by y. So let us consider one right angle triangle like ABC. Right angle at B 90 degrees. Okay, now we have to write the adjacent side of theta is x. Here x means x parts or x units, and y units. Where is that? Opposite side. So this is ratio. Ratio always indicates parts. That means adjacent side is x parts and another one opposite side is y parts. Okay, don't write P, no problem at all. Okay, now we have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, so already you know by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. That means AC square equal to x square plus y square. So we want to find AC. So square root on both sides. So therefore AC hypotenuse equal to square root of x square plus y square. We got the value of hypotenuse, that is square root of x square plus y square. Now what do you want? We want to find sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Opposite side, where is the opposite side here? Y by hypotenuse means square root of x square plus y square. Square root of x square plus y square. Okay, with the help of this trigonometric ratio, you have to find cos theta, the value of cos theta, and secant theta, and cosecant theta, and tan theta. Okay, these four for homework, same. Okay, so already I explained sin theta. We want to find cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means x by square root of x square plus y square. Okay, you have to find them, find out these values for homework. Okay, so same model. If sin theta equal to 2a by 1 plus a square, then tan theta equal to how much? Okay, so already you know sin theta equal to 2a by 1 plus a square. That means what is sin theta? Sin theta means opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Let us consider one right angle triangle A, B, C. Right angle at B like 90 degrees. Okay, opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. Okay, let us consider theta as angle A. Okay, so 2a is opposite side of theta. This is opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta is 2a. Here 2a means 2a units or 2a parts. And another one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to 1 plus a square. 1 plus a square means 1 plus a square units or 1 plus a square parts. Okay. So now we have to find its adjacent side. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square AB square plus BC square. Okay, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here AC equal to 1 plus a square whole square is equal to, okay, AB square we don't know, we want to find it, and BC square, BC means 2a whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of a plus b whole square, that equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, that means a square whole square. Okay, is equal to ab square plus 4a square. This is known as 4a square. Okay, now this is plus 4a square. Of transposition it becomes minus 4a square, that equal to a square whole square. We arrange them orderly. Next, plus 2a square. 2 1 is 2a square minus 4a square. This is plus 4a square. Of transposition minus 4a square. Okay, and plus 1 square equal to ab square. Okay, you observe it very clear. A square whole square minus 2a square minus 2a square plus 1 square equal to a square. Okay, now this is in the form of a square minus 2a. A means here a square. A means a square and b means 1. So a square minus 2a, a means a square, b means 1. 2 1 is 2a square, 2a square. Okay. So now this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square. Therefore, ab square equal to a square minus 1 whole square. That means a minus b whole square. So therefore, ab equal to what? A square minus 1. You remove square on both sides. Okay, now the adjacent side becomes a square minus 1. Now what you want? We want to find tan theta. Therefore, tan theta equal to opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta. Here what is the opposite side? Here opposite side of theta is 2a by adjacent side of theta is a square minus 1. Okay, so homework, find same question, you have to find secant theta. Okay, secant theta equal to how much? We have to find it. Same question, same. Okay, you have to find secant theta. Okay.